This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Nassau County in northeastern Florida, southeastern Baker County in northeastern Florida, northwestern Clay County in northeastern Florida, Duval County in northeastern Florida, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McClenny, or 18 miles north of Rayford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Orange Park, the University of North Florida, Mandarin, Arlington, McClenny, Glen St. Mary, Bay Meadows, Cisco Gardens, and Ortega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Baker, Clay, Duval, and Nassau.